In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collab with Romwe 2025, step by step. Whether you're just getting started or hoping to turn gifted items into paid work, this walkthrough will make the process clear and manageable. First, understand the collaboration types Romwe typically offers. There are gifted collaborations where you receive free clothes, paid collaborations that are more common for larger or proven creators, affiliate partnerships where you earn a commission per sale, and UGC deals where the brand licenses your photos or videos. Most beginners begin with gifted items plus affiliate links, which is a great way to show results and build trust. Before you reach out, prepare your creator profile. Make sure your TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube is active. Your niche is clear. Think fashion, lifestyle, try-ons, or hauls, and your content quality is solid with good lighting and clean editing. Keep your profile public so brands can review your work. Even accounts with 1 to 10,000 followers can get approved if engagement is strong and your content fits the brand. Next, apply through Romwe's influencer or creator program or through affiliate platforms they work with. Sometimes collaborations also start through email or social DMs. Expect to share basic details like your social links, follower count, engagement rate, and country. Approval can take anywhere from a few days to 2 weeks, so keep creating content while you wait. While you're at it, join the affiliate program. You can receive a custom discount code, earn commission on sales, and signal that you can drive measurable results. Pairing affiliate links with consistent content often increases your chances of future paid offers. You can also pitch Romwe directly to speed things up. A simple, friendly message works best. Introduce yourself as a fashion creator, mention the kind of short-form content you make, share that you'd love to collaborate on UGC or a gifted campaign, and note that you can deliver high-quality reels or TikToks. Keep it short, professional, and approachable. If you're approved, you'll receive a product allowance or budget, content requirements, and a deadline. Choose items that fit your style and audience. Confirm your shipping details and plan ahead. Shipping typically takes 7 to 15 days depending on your location. When it's time to create, follow the brief closely. Typical asks include a TikTok or Instagram reel, a try-on or styling video, tagging Romwe, using required hashtags, and mentioning your discount code if you have one. Shoot in good light, show fit and details, and keep the energy authentic. After posting, submit proof. Share links, screenshots, and any analytics requested. This transparency builds trust and helps secure future opportunities. To level up to paid collaborations, deliver on time, over-deliver with extra clips or photos, tag consistently, and drive results with your affiliate links. Brands tend to invest in creators who are reliable and show clear performance.